Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's be honest, 2025 was rough for a lot of people financially. Inflation, high interest rates, and market uncertainty made it harder than ever to stay on track. But here's the good news, 2026 can be your best financial year yet, if you plan it right. So today, I'm breaking down your personal finance to-do list for 2026. The essential checklist to help you save more, invest smarter, and finally feel in control of your money. Let's jump right in. First, review and reset your budget. Before anything else, take a hard look at where your money actually went last year. Most people think they know, but when they check their spending, they're shocked. Open your bank statements or use an app like Mint or Monarch Money. Categorize your expenses, rent, groceries, subscriptions, dining out, etc. Then ask, where can you trim? Maybe it's that streaming service you barely use or daily takeout that adds up to hundreds a month. Now, set your 2026 budget with intentionality. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings or investments. It's simple, flexible, and powerful. Your goal here isn't perfection, it's awareness. You can't fix what you don't measure. Next, build or rebuild your emergency fund. If 2025 taught us anything, it's that life happens. Layoffs, car repairs, medical bills, all without warning. Your emergency fund is your safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account. Rates are still great right now. Even if you can only save $50 a week, start now. Because when emergencies hit, having cash on hand keeps you from relying on credit cards or loans that dig you deeper. Remember, peace of mind is financial freedom too. Third, get strategic about debt. Debt is like carrying a backpack full of bricks up a hill. It slows down every other goal. Make 2026 the year you lighten that load. Start with high-interest debt first, usually credit cards or personal loans. Use the avalanche method, highest interest rate first, or the snowball method, smallest balance first for momentum. And here's a pro tip. If you have multiple credit cards, call your provider and ask for a lower interest rate. It sounds simple, but many people get it, especially if you've been a consistent payer. Less interest, more money in your pocket. Fourth, start investing. If you've been waiting for the right time to invest, stop waiting. The right time was yesterday. The second best time is today. Investing is how you beat inflation long term, and you don't need to be a stock market expert to start. If you're new, focus on low-cost index funds or ETFs. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. If your employer offers a 401k, contribute enough to get the full match. That's literally free money. Even investing $100 a month consistently can grow into tens of thousands over time. Compounding is your best friend, and it works best the earlier you start. Fifth, protect what you're building. This part's often overlooked: insurance, security, and identity protection. Make sure you have health insurance, life insurance, especially if you have dependents, and disability coverage. Also, review your online security. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication and freeze your credit if you're not applying for new loans. You've worked too hard to let one data breach or scam set you back. Sixth, plan for growth, not just survival. Once you've stabilized your finances, it's time to grow. Think about adding a side hustle, upgrading your skills, or starting that small business idea you've been sitting on. Inflation isn't slowing down. Your income needs to keep up. Start simple. Freelance online, sell digital products, or even offer local services. Use 2026 to build a new income stream that moves you closer to freedom. Finally, set one big financial goal for 2026. It could be paying off a credit card, hitting $5,000 in savings, or finally starting your investment account. Write it down, put it somewhere you see every day, and track your progress monthly. Because small, consistent actions will do more for you than big, inconsistent efforts. Here's the bottom line. 2026 can be your year of financial clarity. Budget smarter, save intentionally, invest confidently, and protect what you've built. You don't need to be rich to take control. You just need a plan. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly finance and side hustle tips, and drop a comment with your biggest financial goal for 2026. Let's make this your year of financial peace and progress.